The weeknum function in Excel returns the week number for a given date within a given year. So, for example, January 1st of a year is in the first week, and December 31st is the 52nd week. And to use this function, u equals week num, open parentheses. The serial number is just a date. They want to figure out what week of the year is it in. The return type is just basically an optional argument that you can use if you want the week to start on a date that's not a Sunday. This function automatically assumes that the week starts on a Sunday, but as you can see by pressing the comma, there are various other days that you can use to start the week on instead of a Sunday. We're not going to use this argument, but I just want to show you that it's there. And you can tell it's optional because it's in brackets, where the first argument is not. Close parenthesis, and then Control C, Control V. And as you can see, February 26, 2020 is the ninth week of the year, whereas November 6, 2020 is the 45th week of the year, for example. So, hope you found this week's tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, or comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.